In this video, we will discuss how to answer questions on Queri. When you visit Queri, you will see a pen and paper icon with user asked questions. Choose a question that you would like to answer and click on it. Copy the question and paste it into the ChatGPT. It will provide an answer which you can then summarize into key points. Now paste this answer into the answer section and click on post. Just like that, your answer is posted on Queri. I will solve some more questions on this, so I just muted my voice. Practice this on your own and see you in the next video.